Hi, how you doing? This is Hyde from affiliateship.com, and in today's video we're going to talk about what does verticals mean in affiliate marketing. So as we all know, there are many different types of products and services that are offered to the general population, right? Some products may target the general wider population, whereas others may be better suited for specific groups of people who are looking for those specific type of products. When marketing the different types of products and services, there is horizontal marketing or vertical marketing. So horizontal marketing is when a product or service is targeted for a mass, larger or general population who may be interested in these types of products. For example, when marketing products such as McDonald's, right, it may be considered horizontal marketing because they target people from all over the world who are fit male, female, younger and older generation, etc. The mass market, right, if you like. So on the opposite side of horizontal is of course vertical marketing. So vertical marketing is when you're targeting people with specific needs and wants and offer suitable products to those people who have those needs and wants. For example, someone needs to lose weight, someone wanted to learn how to speak English, someone interested in playing video games, and so on. As you can see from the above examples, we clearly have three different types of needs and wants, and therefore there may be potential affiliate products that may serve as a solution for them. Verticals are generally specific sectors in the marketplace with corresponding niches and affiliate offers in those niches. For example, from the above examples of people with different needs and desires, weight loss may come under the health and beauty vertical, learning English may come under the education vertical, video games may come under the gaming vertical. There are a wide variety of verticals at which you can promote as an affiliate, and some of the largest verticals are gaming, dating, education, wealth, investing, health and wellness, e-commerce, finance, gambling. As you can imagine, the verticals are broad themselves, and within those verticals are related niches within them that come under the verticals, right? For example, the wealth vertical will have niches such as stock trading, forex, crypto, gold investment, etc. Right? So just a quick tip on choosing verticals. Experienced marketers agree on a common piece of advice, that is, when you're starting out in affiliate marketing, it's recommended to choose and start with one vertical, right? You then learn it, practice it, promoting that vertical, become profitable and great at it, then you can expand into other verticals. This approach will allow you to stay focused, direct your time and efforts in one vertical, and become experienced and skilled in promoting affiliate offers. You can then implement your skills and experience that you gain comfortably into other verticals and areas. So places to find affiliate offers in different verticals. Now you know that which vertical that you may be interested in, you've got an idea on what to promote. You can narrow down the vertical and research into the offers and niches available to promote in your chosen vertical. So when searching for offers to promote, there are typically two routes you can take. You can join an affiliate network. These are networks which have a big range of offers in different verticals that you can promote. You can go directly to a company selling the product and sign up to be their affiliate. So if you go directly to the company, then it's a matter of finding the types of products that you're interested in and simply do some Google searching, right? You then visit the website, look for information in their website on whether they have an affiliate program. Quick way to find out is go right to the bottom of their homepage and look for a link to do with affiliate partner referral or something to do that. Many of the companies who offer affiliate programs, they have it right at the bottom, and a link at the bottom to do with affiliate partner referral. You can check that out. So if you go to an affiliate network, the advantage is that it's more easier for you, as you have a large variety of offers available. You can search through them, navigate and browse through them, and information from one source as well. Okay, you get that. With that said, here's some of the popular places where you can find offers to promote in a variety of verticals. Okay, ClickBank, one of the largest and established networks, mainly specialized in digital products and also increase in physical product offers. Amazon Associates, Amazon is probably the largest affiliate network in the world, with millions of products to choose from in a variety, and they were the first ones to come into the marketplace with the affiliate program back in the 1990s. OfferVault is the next one. This is a value-packed website that provides information on offers you can promote. It's not an affiliate network in itself, I think, but it provides information on different affiliate networks that are placing have offers, live offers that you can look and browse, and then link to go to these affiliate networks and sign up for these offers. Okay, Flex Offers has thousands of products in many different verticals which you can sign up and promote. JVZoo is another one. It's similar to ClickBank. That's a massive product library in different niches and categories. ShareSale is another well-established affiliate network. with thousands of offers in many different verticals. So those are some of the top affiliate networks. There are loads out there as well, loads of other ones out there. You can search them out if you want, but these are some of the top ones that you can go to, okay, to start with. Choosing the right vertical is very important for you, as you will need to carefully choose the vertical that you're interested in. Also, be sure to choose profitable verticals, otherwise it may prove a challenge to generate a decent income in your affiliate marketing. Think about it. If no one's interested in what you're promoting, then you simply can't make money, right? Therefore, choose your verticals wisely, okay? So yeah, that's it for now on verticals. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And if you'd like some resources on building affiliate business, visit affiliateship.com/free, or click in the YouTube description below. And also, what I've discussed in this video, I'm going to put it in article form, which you can go to the website and see, read through the article in your own pace and time. And there's some links there that you can click on that I shared. And yeah, so that's about it. And thanks again, and see you next time.